What's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will back again, and I'm about to do a ride along. And the fragrance I'm doing a ride along with is this one here. This is Hawas Black. I'm sure you guys have seen this before. It's a great fragrance. It's pretty close to Nishane's Hashivat, and and Hashivat is close to Aventus also. So I'm gonna go out a little bit, and so I'm gonna go ahead and check it out, see how it works. Now I've worn this before, and I know the performance is good, but I just want to bring you guys along with me. So there we go. Then get one there, and there. Let's get one behind my neck, and I think that's good. All right. Right now, the time is 2:15, and the weather is 32 degrees. Is that right? Oh, 38 degrees right now. Oh, actually, it was right there on the time. If you could see, 38 degrees. All right. So let's check it out. See how I do. Roll with me. All right, folks. So I'm doing the check-in. I usually try to do a check-in a little bit earlier than this. It's been quite a few hours. I think it's been about 4 hours, and it's 6:36, and the temperature is still the same. Well, no, it's a little bit warm, cooler now. It's 35 degrees. Fragrance is still kicking. It almost smells like I just put it on. It's pushing off my shirt and off my skin pretty good. It's a nice little scent bubble around me. I already went out and I had put my coat on and I had take it off. Then I put it on again. Actually went out and had dinner with some friends. Man, this thing is still going. So I will give you another checkup in a little bit. Okay, keep rolling with me. Oh, yeah, I gave you time in the temperature. And it's cool today. It's like a cool 35 degrees. It's not like a warm 35 degrees. All right, keep rolling with me. Man, this fragrance lasts long. This fragrance, checking in again. It is now 9:20 and still getting cooler, but I've been in a closed environment. I've been in a regulated temperature environment, but it is right now 30 degrees. So that doesn't have much to play with it because, like I say, I'm not outside. The fragrance is still going. It's not pushing as much as it was before. Now it's kind of gotten a little bit closer, but I can still smell it moving around. I can smell it on myself. You know how sometimes when you have fragrances on, after a little while, a couple of hours or so, you kind of go nose blind to them. You can't smell them. This fragrance doesn't do that. I can still smell it, and I can smell it clearly on my clothes. I'm not sure how much of a sillage I have going on. I don't think it's too big. I think it's probably, pretty close. That's what it feels like. It's really close, but it's still going. And man, it's still working out. I'm gonna give it a little bit more time, just to see, this fragrance. I'm probably gonna give out before the fragrance give out, and I'll come back again and I'll wrap this up. Keep rolling with me. This is a good one. All right, so I'm back in, and like I said, this fragrance is going to. I'm going to give out before this fragrance give out. Man, this thing lasts forever. Did I get scratched? No, it didn't get scratched up. This thing's lasts forever. Look at the color of the juice too. I didn't show you guys that, and I don't know. I think they put a lot of oil in this because it sticks. It still smells good. I think the smell of this shirt, the smell is going to be on my shirt tomorrow. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. By the way, Hawas Black, this was released in 2024, and it's supposed to be. Some people, when it first came out, thought it was a clone of Aventus Absolute, but it's not really Absolute. It's Hashivat, and I have Hashivat, and this is actually stronger than Hashivat by Nishane. Oh my goodness. But anyway, so jumping into the notes, for the top notes, we got bergamot, pineapple, and grapefruit. And then in the middle notes, there are patchouli, cedarwood, and jasmine. And then for the base notes, there is oak moss, woody notes, and amber. And just like Aventus, when it starts out, it has this citrusy kind of a woodsy kind of vibe. Well, when I say woodsy, it's more of like a cedar wood, not necessarily like a pine or anything like that. And it's like a fresh, spicy kind of vibe that you get, and it keeps that same vibe. For me, it smells almost the same thing, except for some of the freshness has kind of died out, and it's more of like almost like a piney kind of scent with some woods, and smell like it's some spices in it too. But the spicy smell is probably coming from the cedar wood, not from like a cinnamon or anything like that. But it kind of has a feeling that it has something like that in it. And yeah, it just smells good. It smells nice and warm and cozy. So it's been a good day, and this is a amazing performer. So if you're thinking about it, I would say pick it up. This is probably one of the better Hawas fragrances, one of the stronger ones also. So Hawas Black, great bottle. Thanks for rolling with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me, checking out this ride along with Hawas Black, beast performer. Till next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.